Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to remove installed apps from Chrome. So let's say, for example, I will install ChatGPT. So I'm going to click the three dots at the top and go to Cast, Save, and Share. And you'll see Install ChatGPT in here. Just click on that and click Install to confirm the action. Now, once installed, go ahead and open ChatGPT. So once it's open, you can click the three dots right here and you should see Uninstall ChatGPT. So just click on that and click uninstall once more to confirm the action. You can also check this box right here to remove ChatGPT's data from Chrome. Now, if you don't see uninstall ChatGPT in this area, what you can do is to go to settings. So go to start menu and go to your settings. Then go to apps on the left side. Then just go to installed apps. Next, go ahead and search for ChatGPT in the search bar. So once you find it, click the three dots right here on the right side and click uninstall. Click uninstall once more. So you can check this box right here and click uninstall again. So you should see it's now gone. So that's how you can remove installed apps from Chrome. Thank you for watching.